Good morning, students. I am A.K. Jha, PGT Biology. Today, I am going to explain the kingdom Plantae. In previous class, we have already studied five kingdom system of classification given by R.H. Whitaker, in which we studied there are five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Monera include all unicellular prokaryotic organisms. Protista include unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Fungi may be unicellular or multicellular organisms. They have cell wall but without chlorophyll, and they all are saprophytes. Then we study kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Plantae includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms. All organisms have cell wall and chlorophyll. All are autotrophs. That means they synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. And Animalia. Animalia include those organisms which are multicellular, eukaryotic, without cell wall, without chlorophyll. They are heterotrophs. They cannot synthesize their own food and obtain their food from any other sources. In today's class, I am going to explain in detail the kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae include all living organisms which are multicellular, eukaryotic. The cell have cell wall and have chlorophyll. They synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Now we study classification of division of kingdom Plantae. Now kingdom Plantae is divided into two parts, which are cryptogams and phanerogams on the basis of flowering. All non-flowering plants included in cryptogams and all flowering plants included in phanerogams. That means cryptogams include all non-flowering plants and phanerogams include all flowering plants. Now, non-flowering plant is divided into three parts according to differentiation in plant body. If the plant body do not differentiate it into root, stem and leaf, their whole plant body becomes thallus-like. Root, stem and leaves are not differentiated, then this type of organism included in the Thallophyta. That means plant body is thallus-like. It includes all multicellular algae. Now Bryophyta, next is Bryophyta. In Bryophyta, the plant body is slightly differentiated into root-like structures and leaf-like structures. Not actual root and not actual leaves present. Root-like structures present and leaf-like structures present. Example of Bryophyta are mosses. And third is Pteridophyta. So in Pteridophyta, plant body is differentiated, completely differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Example of Pteridophyta is fern. Once again, repeat. Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta is the three division of cryptogams In Thallophyta, plant body do not differentiate into root, stem and leaf. Whole plant body is thallus-like. It includes all multicellular algae. In Bryophyta, plant body is slightly differentiated into root-like structure and leaf-like structure. Example of Bryophyta are mosses. And third, Pteridophyta. In this type of plant body is completely differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Example of Pteridophyta is fern. Now second type of plant is Phanerogames, that is flowering plant. The bears flower. Now flowering plant is divided into two parts on the basis of seed. Naked seed plant are included in gymnosperms and closed seed plant included in angiosperms. That means in gymnosperm, seed is not covered by seed coats. Seeds are not present in fruits. Gymnosperm bears naked seed plant. But in angiosperm, seed has seed coat and seed present inside the fruits. Naked seed plants are called gymnosperms and closed seed plants are called angiosperms. Gymnosperms are of two types, cycas and pinus, and angiosperms are also divided into two parts on the basis of number of cotyledons in seed. If seed have only one cotyledon, they are called monocot, and if seed have two cotyledon, then they are called dicot. Example of monocot: all cereals just like wheat, paddy, maize, etc. Example of dicotyledonous plant are mango, all pulses. These are the different classification of kingdom Plantae. Once again, I repeat, whole classification of Plantae. The kingdom Plantae is divided into two parts, cryptogames and phanerogames. On the basis of flowering, non-flowering plants are included in cryptogames and flowering plants are included in phanerogames. Now, non-flowering plants, the plant is divided into three parts on the basis of differentiation in plant body. If plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf, they are thallus-like, then they are included in Thallophyta, example algae. If plant body is slightly differentiated into root, stem and leaf, that means root-like structure and leaf-like structure present, then it is called Bryophyta, example mosses. And third is Pteridophyta. In this type of plant body is completely differentiated into root, stem and leaf, example fern. In phanerogames, the flowering plant, it is divided into two parts, gymnosperms and angiosperms on the basis of seed. Gymnosperm includes all naked seed plants. That means seeds are not present inside the fruits. Seeds are not covered by seed coat. Example, and gymnosperms are of two types, cycas and pinus. In angiosperm include all the closed seed plant, that is seed has seed coat and seeds are present inside the fruit. On the basis of number of cotyledon present in seed, angiosperms are of two types, monocot and dicot. Monocot plant have only one cotyledon in seed. Example, all cereals just like wheat, rice, maize, etc. And dicot, seed has only one cotyledon. Seed has two cotyledon in dicot. Example, mango and all pulses. In next class, we classify the kingdom Animalia. In this class, we have studied the classification of kingdom Plantae.